Hi, this is Willie at the Shamma shop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the Elite lacing system. If your sandals have been very well loved, or say your dog chews on them or you left them too close to the fire, then it's not the end of your sandals. You can still ask us for new parts and we can send you the individual parts that you need to fix, and you can change them out yourself. So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video, is how to reassemble your sandals with your new parts. Before we get started, it's helpful to get your hands on some needle nose pliers. These are helpful through the whole process and can be found at your local hardware store. So here's the easy part of the sandal disassembly. Just simply start taking off all the Velcro, get everything off the straps, pull out as many straps as you can. Should be fairly simple. There's only one difficult part of this process, and I'll show you that in just a moment here. But for starters, just undo everything. Toe plug strap, get off the buckle. Take off the keeper, take off the buckle, and pull the toe plug strap out. Just kind of bend the sandal a little bit, dig your finger underneath the plug, and you can, if you need a little bit of help, taco the other end of it so it comes out easier. Outsole post is really easy. Just fold up the sandal, grab the toe plug, or grab the plug I mean, and pull it out. The only difficult part is this insole post, and in order to get it out, you start by just kind of pushing it in further, getting the toe plug to actually pull out from underneath the sandal a little bit more. That makes it so that you can get the needle nose pliers in there, and you can turn this plug perpendicular to the sandal. That way, when you pull it, it creates the least amount of resistance. You just give it a little wiggle and a tight pull. It should come out really easy. So there you have it, totally disassembled sandal. It's always important to make sure you have all of your parts. So go ahead and look through and make sure you have your outsole posts for each side. Make sure you have your insole posts for each side. Your toe plug straps, your two keepers, and your buckles for each side. Starting with the outsole, this is the easiest of the parts, simply because you just face the Velcro outwards. You can even face our little emblem outwards on the outside of the sandal. Right here's the outside, facing backwards. Okay, so it should pull right through. Okay, stuff the little plug into its space, and this is the way it should look with the emblem with our logo facing outwards and facing backwards. Okay. Next we have the insole posts, and they're just these little Y pieces here, and again you want the Velcro facing outwards from the sandal, and obviously the insole post goes on the inside of the sandal. This is pretty tricky though, because it doesn't easily want to fit through this small space, right? This is a fairly small hole and a fairly big piece. So start by getting your needle nose pliers through the sandal, and again making the plug perpendicular to the sandal so that you get a very good grip on the plug. Okay, keep the insole post as flat facing or parallel to the hole as you can, and go ahead and wiggle it through. There we go. Make sure to pull it past so the flaps come past the hole, and seat it in its proper place. Okay, we'll do that again on the other side. Okay, perpendicular toe plug, and a little wiggle. Seat it properly, it's good to go. Then you can Velcro the two parts together. In order to put the toe plug strap in, simply find the little taco shape at the end of the toe plug and follow that to the end of the strap. Okay, then you're going to make your own little taco shape there. So when you put the pliers through, you grab it by the taco shape and pull it through. Keep it consistent all the way to the end. That way the shape of your toes is going to fit the shape of the toe plug. Next, you're going to be putting the buckles on, but there is a little bit of a trick to this because they do have sides to them. They look very, very similar, but they have indentations on different sides of the sandal. So there's a little bit of like a little bar crossing here. These two little bars crossing. One is inset and one is sort of raised. So if you put the indented one on the top with the this little side section facing the inside of the sandal, that's how you'll know which side you're on. So for your orientation, you can see if this is inset on the top and it's facing the inside of the sandal that way, this is your left buckle. Okay, so again, indentation on the top with this side piece facing in towards the inside of the sandal. Okay, you don't need any tools for this, just slide it through the top section of the buckle. Over that indented bar, you go back down into the next open section. Then you can put your keeper on. Do that to the other side. Again, here's the indentation on the top with the side piece facing towards the inside of the sandal. This is your right buckle. Through the first top hole, then through the middle hole. Put your keepers on. And then you're ready to find a lace. Now, in order to find a lace, simply take the toe plug strap, keep the top of the strap facing out away from the sandal as you pull it through the outsole post slot. You should see that the top of the buckle is consistent with what's passing through the slot. Okay? Double back, go through the keeper, slide the toe plug strap through the middle slot again, so it should pass through with the same place it went through last. Okay? So yes, two straps will be going through the middle slot together. Then go back through this last slot and pass through the keeper one last time. And you can Velcro the insole post strap. There you have it. Final lacing the other side is the exact same thing, so simply face the top of the toe plug strap outwards, pass through the keeper, up through the middle slot, down through the last slot, pass through the keeper one last time, and Velcro the insole post. And that's how you reassemble your sandals. Now that you've seen the process, if you'd rather not be putting on all of these parts yourself, you're totally welcome to just send us your sandals and we'll put on all the new parts for you. We'll send them back to you ready to be adjusted onto your foot. Now Now if you need help with that adjustment process, you can follow the link in the description below for one of our tutorials on adjustment for elite lacing systems. Beyond that, if you have any questions, send us an email at contact@shammasandals.com and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Hopefully this was a helpful video to you, and we will see you next time at the Shamma Shop.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly content. And make sure to click the bell so that you'll be notified every time we post something new.